Hello friends, today we are cooking bharwa parval without actually stuffing them with masalas. So for cooking bharwa parval we have taken 200 grams of parval, which is also called pointed gourd in English. So let's get started. Now I'm going to tell you how to cut the parval for bharwa parval recipe. So first take out the ends of the parval with a knife, and with the knife you have to peel it off. Don't peel it off too much, we just need to peel it off slightly like this. Because if you peel it off with a peeler, it will take off the thick skin of the parval and it will not taste good. So we don't want to take out the outer thick skin of the parval. That's why we need to slightly peel it like this. So we need to slightly peel all the parvals like this, and after peeling them we need to wash them. So we have slightly peeled all the parvals. Now we need to wash them with cold water. So now we have washed all the parvals. So for making bharwa parval, we need to give a little slit in between every parval in the middle like this. Don't cut the parval completely, you just need to slit it from the middle like this. You have to do it for all the parvals. Let me show you one more time. Using a knife, give a slit in the middle of the parval. Don't cut it completely, just give a little slit. For frying bharwa parval, we have heated around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Now add a pinch of asafoetida, one teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow the mustard seeds and cumin seeds to splutter. So now the mustard seeds and cumin seeds are spluttered. Now we can add the parval. Stir it. Now add salt as per your taste. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir it well. Keep the flame on medium-low. Cover it with a lid and allow it to cook until the parval becomes soft. You can check every 2 to 3 minutes in between and stir it. So it will 2 minutes. We will be checking the parval. We have to give it a stir, and we can cover it with a lid again. We need to cook the parval until it becomes soft. So now we will check it. So we can see that our parval has become soft. To check it whether it is soft or not, you can press it with a spoon, or you can also use your hands to press it. If it is pressing easily, that means it is cooked. So our parval has been cooked. Now add the red chili powder. So add about 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Stir it well. Keep the flame on low while you are adding the spices so that the spices won't burn. Stir it well after you add the spices and cover it with a lid for 1 minute. Then our bharwa parval will be ready. Taking the parval after 1 minute. And our parwal is ready, and you can see that. So now turn off the flame and serve it. It really tastes very delicious. So now we have served the bharwa parwal, and it really tastes very delicious. This recipe doesn't involve stuffing the parwal with masalas. Enjoy it with any type of roti, paratha, naan or rice, and it will give a very delicious taste and flavor, and it is also a very healthy food.